Good morning, friends. The title of the book for today is Bug Hotel, a Lift the Flap Book of Discovery, a Clover Robin Book of Nature. A bug hotel is a multi-story homemade habitat where creepy crawlies of all shapes and sizes can find a place to stay. Made from natural materials such as straw, wood, and stone. Bug hotels can even be built in your own backyard. Let's see who checked into the Bug Hotel today. Bees are very important. They carry pollen from flower to flower, which helps more plants to grow. The process is called pollination, and without it, our flowers, plants, and food supplies will suffer. The hollows in bamboo canes are an ideal place for solitary bees, bumblebees, and wasps to make their nests, lay eggs, and escape bad weather. Female solitary bees create tiny cells for their eggs within the bamboo cane. They can lay up to 30 eggs in a lifetime. Solitary bees usually work and live alone, which is why they are called solitary bees. Bumblebees are very easy to spot. They are larger than honeybees and look a lot fluffier. Wasps may look like bees, but they are different. They have pointed body and a very narrow waist. This is a wasp. This is a bumblebee. And this is a solitary bee. Butterfly. Butterflies start their lives looking completely different. They grow from an egg into a caterpillar, then go through a process called metamorphosis to become a colorful butterfly. Stage 1 of the egg. Butterflies usually lay their eggs on the leaves or stems or plants. Stage 2, caterpillar. Once hatched, a caterpillar will immediately start eating leaves. It can grow up to 100 times its original size. Stage 3, chrysalis. A fully grown caterpillar will then form a chrysalis, a natural sac where it will change into a butterfly. A few weeks or months later, the chrysalis will split open and a butterfly will appear, which is the stage 4, butterfly. Beetles are one of the world's oldest creatures. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and there are over 300,000 species of beetle in the world. Stag beetles get their name from a large antler sitting on the top of their heads. Beetles. Beetles can be found wherever plants and trees are able to grow. This means you can find beetles almost anywhere on the planet. Wasp beetles are able to trick predators. Their black and yellow shells make them look like wasps resting after a long flight. Green dog beetles are easily recognizable. with their round metallic green and blue shells. Bark, dead wood, and twigs are important food sources for young wood-eating beetles. Old wood is difficult to find in gardens and parks since humans regularly clear it away, so it's important to include some in a bug hotel for the beetles to eat. Snail. Snails move on a trail of slime called mucus. It allows snails to slide along through rough surfaces, travel vertically, and even move up one upside down. Snails are one of the world's slowest creatures with a top speed of around 0.06 miles per hour. Snails come out mainly at night, so a dark and protected habitat helps to keep them cool, happy, and safe from predators, such as birds during the daytime. Loose towels and broken plant pots stuffed with grass and leaves make a fantastic shelter for snails. Earthworms live on the soil. They dig lots of little tunnels to get around, and these allow air, nutrients, and water to trickle them deep into the ground. Known as the gardener's best friend, earthworms improve the quality of the soil and help plants to grow. Spider. Spiders are known for building intricate webs. These webs help spiders to catch prey without the need for hunting, since the food comes directly to them. Webs are made from a special silk that is produced in the spider's spinnerets glands. A spider will usually make a new web every day. Most spiders catch and eat small insects, such as flies, centipedes, and wood lice. Centipedes eat slug eggs, which helps them control the slug population. The word centipede means 100 legs, but a centipede can have as few as 30. Flies can fly vertically, horizontally, and even backward. Flies have tiny hairs on their feet, so they can stick to almost any surface. Spiders, centipedes, and this is flies. Spiders, centipedes, flies. Spider. Pine cones, twigs, and stems are the perfect environment for many bees that like to hide in dark, woody places such as spiders, woodlice, and centipedes. Spiders belong to the group of animals called arachnids. There are about 40,000 different types of spider across the world, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Ladybug. Hay, straw, and dry leaves provide warmth and shelter to hibernating ladybugs during winter. Ladybugs are hardworking pest controllers. They eat aphids, which are small bugs that cause damage to plants. Ladybugs can eat up to 50 aphids a day. A ladybug's red shell and black spots are actually a trick. The bright colors falsely warn predators that ladybugs are poisonous, so they won't try to eat them. The inner wings may be very delicate, but they are the ones ladybugs use to fly. The hard outer wings are used to protect the ladybug. Ladybugs are a type of flying beetle, and they have two sets of wings. Now it's your turn. If you want to build your own bug hotel, please remember to ask an adult for help. Here's a list of materials you will need. Twigs and sticks for spiders, rocks and tiles for snails, bamboo canes for solitary bees, old wood for beetles, hay and grass for ladybugs. To make your garden more bug friendly, you could have flower beds to help to attract butterflies and bees. Dead wood areas are great for beetles and ladybugs. A bug hotel, of course, is a home for all sorts of insects. The end. Story time is over. I hope you enjoy the story for today. Have a great day.